Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix an iPhone 5 headphone jack. The first thing you're going to need is a star screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and this handy tool here, a spudger. It's better than a normal spudger. As you can see here, I took out the two screws that are located here, and now we're going to just take off the screen. So as you can see, I opened it. As you can see here, the three screws that hold the shield have already been taken off, and we're gonna have to disconnect these three wires here. So we're gonna need this to disconnect. And now we're gonna have to disconnect the battery. The shield has already been disconnected. We're gonna have to take off the battery. If your battery has already been is hard to come off, bring a blow dryer and blow it from the back and pull it off. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver to take off this shield. We're gonna have to disconnect this cable here. And the headphone. Now I'm gonna have to disconnect. We're gonna have to take off this screw, this one, that one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now we're gonna have to lift off this. And we're gonna have to disconnect this. Done. Now I have to get a new one. Okay, I got one from my other iPhone 5. Now we have to lift this piece up. Try to get everything in. As you can see here, I got it in, and you screw back all the screws. And then you put back all the cables. And then you get your battery. And put the screen back. You can fast forward the video to put the screws back. I'm just doing it to make the video faster. Then connect your screen back, and you check if the screen is working.